What's up, YouTube collective? Damn, I'm dropping my Polio Santo. Alright, so let's get a message in for my YouTube collective. I'm gonna cleanse the energy, okay? And yes, I got on my house coat and my bonnet and my little makeup, but both, or however you want to call it, okay? So, yeah. Let's cleanse the energy here. Cleanse y'all. Cleanse. Cleanse. My cards and my space and my everything. So let's see what Spirit has for my YouTube collective. What's the messages here for my YouTube collective, Holy Spirit? Lord, why I had to pull this damn card. Babe, I had sex with a man. Somebody had sex with this man. Oh, Holy Spirit, Holy Angels, clarify, babe, I had sex with a man. Clarify, babe, I had sex with a man. Ooh, Holy Spirit, clarify this. Babe, I had sex with a man. Why is babe, I had sex with a man? With the Holy Spirit. Ooh. Why is babe, I had sex with a man here, Holy Spirit? Babe, I had sex with a man. Okay, so whoever this is that had sex with this man, that they don't want this shit to be over with between you and them. Okay, it's some type of family shit going on. Okay, something could have been talked about in this family room or whatever this may be. Ooh, it's somebody gonna be in poverty, whether it be mental, emotional, or physically. Okay, it's what I'm getting. Ooh, 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 ooh. What part is this? Oh, that's silent retreat. So somebody need to move forward ASAP. Why is coffin reversed? Why is coffin reversed? Why is coffin in the reverse? Ooh, this King of Wands. This damn King of Wands. And this motherfucker is balancing a snake on his nose. Like, what the fuck? At the bottom of the deck is the Eight of Cups, walking away. That's you walking away from the King of Wands. Why is this King of Wands? Ooh, why is this King of Wands here? Why is this King of Wands here? Okay, the Seven of Swords in the reverse. So somebody got caught. Now they facing some type of punishment. They want to make amends. Yeah, they want peace after trouble. Okay, they definitely do. Four Pentacles in judgment. Yep, they definitely under judgment. And they definitely trying to hold on. What's the messages? Why is the Seven of Swords reversed? Why is the Seven of Swords reversed? Ooh, this King of Cups. I cannot make this up. Hell. At the bottom of the deck is the Temperance in the reverse. This is chaos. It is all time fucking finals. We got this Cancer man and this Cancer Pisces Scorpio man and this Leo Sagittarius Aries man. I don't know what this is. Yeah, this man, this Seven of Swords in the reverse, this person that's facing punishment being caught. This person want to make amends here. Why is the King of Cups here? Why is the King of Cups here, Holy Spirit? The Three of Pentacles in the reverse. No longer want to work with or show some type of team support or collaborate with or whatever. Okay, the Three of Pentacles could be office politics. This could have been some shit on the job. Okay, somebody blackmail, backstabbing, gossip with intent, or holding important information from a co-worker or something of that nature. Nine of Pentacles in the reverse. Somebody is definitely like having some type of financial setback, jealous, and a workaholic. Like they always at work or always working. Okay, is what I'm also getting. One more card. Why is the Three of Pentacles reversed? Why is the Three of Pentacles reversed? Ooh, that is too many. This is a burden. The Six of Cups has to do something with the past, and the Knight of Pentacles is something slow movement. What is the Three of Pentacles in the reverse? What is the Three of Pentacles reverse? What is the Three of Pentacles reverse? This Queen of Cups. Okay, the Queen of Pentacles is in the reverse. This is jealousy, the financial depending on others. Somebody need to heal, release this burden here. And somebody is not going to be the fool no more because they're walking away from this situation because somebody is a liar. Yeah. This Queen of Cups and this King of Cups, this is some type of couple, but they're not working together because this man was being sneaky with this other man. I hope y'all get the drift. Cause let's see who this is before we go. Holy Spirit, Holy Angels, who is this King of Wands? Who is this King of Wands for my collective? Who is this King of Wands? Who is this King of Wands for my collective? Okay, so this King of Wands could be a Libra. Okay, the goat. Okay, somebody's birthday could be September 23rd to October 22nd. Someone could be born in 1943, 1955, 1967, 1979, 1991, 2003, 2015, and 2027. It could be significant here with this King of Wands energy. Who is this King of Cups? Who is this King of Cups for my collective? Who is this King of Cups for my collective? Okay, so this is somebody who is fleeing this heat. And I told y'all that because this Queen of Cups and this King of Cups is a couple and they're not working together no more. Or whatever this may be. But this is what I'm getting. Like somebody had sloppy work, no teamwork or support. So this King of Cups is somebody who is running away. This person could be at a distance or something here. Who is this Queen of Cups? This is a lot. Who is this Queen of Cups? Who is this Queen of Cups? Okay, so this Queen of Cups is the red. Okay, Chinese zodiac sign of a rat. Okay, this could be somebody in a new connection. Is what I'm getting here. This person could be born in 1936, 1948, 1960. 1972, 1984, 96, 2008, and 2020 could be significant here, is what I'm getting with this. So put the shit where it applies, but this is some shit. Masculine envy. What else is going on here with my YouTube collective? Unforgiving. Of course, this is definitely unforgiving. Like, this is something you can't forgive somebody for. What else here for my YouTube collective? I cannot make this up. LGBTQ community. Like, what the fuck? Give me one more card, Spirit. I know my worth. You fucking better, because there's too much shit going on to not know. Okay? Let's do one more card for my YouTube collective. Okay, so somebody name could start with the letter E, first, middle, or legs. Okay, those were your messages, y'all. I hope they resonate. Kinda don't hope they resonate, but this was some craziness. Y'all have a blessed and beautiful one. Peace. Keep your head on the swivel though.